Welcome to this channel, ready to make money. In this video, I'm going to show you a new way to make money online. Are you ready to make money? 3 ways to make money online with less than 1,000 subscribers. Welcome to Ready to Make Money. Now in this video I will reveal new secrets of how to earn money by offering courses on YouTube. This is a brand new method for making $500 per day and it costs you little or absolutely nothing to start. This is how much money you can make using this new strategy. You can earn $50 with just one person signing up and watching a course video on your YouTube channel. This means watching 10 video courses you can make $500, so for 20 videos you can earn $1,000 per day. Now you can imagine making money online just by selling YouTube video courses. Now here's the best part. You can do this over and over again to make money online daily, non-stop. With this video, Ready to Make Money will show you this new top secret strategy which nobody's talking about. This is 100% legitimate and there is no hidden cost, absolutely affordable as it only costs you time. Additionally, it is also accessible for every location in the world, so you can make even more than anticipated. The only things you really need to make money online right now are 1. A computer. 2. A mobile phone. 3. Your internet connection, to create courses for your audience to watch on YouTube and start to earn money right away. This is a new complete how to make money online step-by-step tutorial for everyone. Make sure you watch this video till the very end, because I have some special surprises just for you. Maybe, near the end of this video, you'll get tips on how to double your earning potential. Don't stop watching. Are you ready to make money online? Let's get into step 1. Come over to youtube.com. I'm sure you already have a YouTube account. If not, create one using your existing Google account. YouTube will show you here the most popular and highest rated videos. Now for example, what's trending right now, and all those top performing, how to, video courses on music, gaming and sports and so on. Every day millions of people come to watch videos on YouTube, especially how to videos. But I'll share with you the secret on how you too can make money from it. Yes, that's how many people are making so much money on YouTube. From $200, $400 and $1,000, over and over again every single day. Right now I want you to like and subscribe to Ready to Make Money, so you can get the easiest ways to make money online. As you will see, a lot of people keep watching how to videos. Right now there are a lot of high demand jobs and opportunities to make money from by creating video courses right here on YouTube. Make sure you stick around and I'll show you precisely how to make money online from these types of YouTube videos. When it comes to making money on YouTube, people think you need to get millions of views a month. Although, that is partially true, and you make a lot of money from video views alone, here's another way to do it. Don't worry, I will explain all the steps for you. It's simpler than you think, and only a few people are using this method. This is how you can make a lot of money, but only if you watch the video till the very end. Courses are a fantastic way to share and sell your knowledge online. Sure, there may be an upfront investment, as far as producing the content for the course, but once it is complete, you don't have to worry about updating it for months, or even years. Once your course is complete, all you have to do is sell it. It allows you to make money without having to worry about customer support. It gives you the freedom to charge between $20 all the way up to $497 and more. You can start creating a high-ticket video coaching program. This is a great way to monetize your channel with less than 1,000 subscribers. Most high-ticket programs often offer a course combined with one-on-one or group coaching. Some of the most popular niches are fitness, health, relationships, finances, mental health, addiction, but the number one is making money. You can create a high-ticket offer for almost any niche. The key is to make sure you overdeliver on value, to get your customers to recommend others to your courses. After reviewing several YouTube channels with high-ticket offers, I noticed that they tend to go for $1,000 on the low end, all the way up to $12,500. Now, if you want to build something small, meaningful, and cost-friendly for your viewers, create a service and sell it for a monthly subscription. Some of the most common subscriptions people offer are selling software, paid communities, products, and access to exclusive content. There are no rules as to what you can put a subscription on. As long as you can provide value, people will happily purchase it from you. As you can see, you earn an extra $2 for 1,000 views, $4 for 2,000 views, $6 for 3,000 views on YouTube videos, once you get monetized, over and over non-stop, and you keep making extra money. Once you've earned your money you can withdraw your earning through Payer, Web Money, Perfect Money, and PayPal. All you have to do is to create your free account on https://7r6.com ref ready to make money. So click on sign up. You will put your username, email, password then retype your password again. Next click I'm not a robot and finally check the box, I agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Then click on register. Copy the YouTube URL then back to https://7r6.com ref ready to make money and click on new shortened link. Then paste the link in your bio, on social media and YouTube description. The more people click on the link to view the video, the more money you can earn. So now is your best chance to cash in on this hot trend and make a lot of money from all of these YouTube video views. Now if you are looking for other ways to make money online, watch my other videos. Remember to subscribe now and hit that notification bell. So as soon as I drop a new video you will be first to get it. I'm also putting out several videos a week to help you make money online. Disclaimer: Ready to Make Money channel assumes no responsibility or liability for any errors or omissions in the content of this site. Information contained in this site is provided on, as is, basis with no guarantees of completeness, accuracy, usefulness or timeliness. This is not financial advice nor am I in any way a financial advisor. Results shown are no guarantee you will earn if you invest. Age disclosure: This channel is for adults 20 years and over only. All investment are high risk and you may lose all your investment. Please do your own research, as we are not responsible for any money lost trying this, or any methods seen in these videos. Subscribe, click the bell, like and share, leave a comment for more ways to make money online.